We've got the derivatives of the 6 hyperbolic trig functions up here on the board. If you ignore the plus and minus signs, these are the same as the derivatives of the regular trig functions, except that all of the trig functions are hyperbolic. Derivative of sinh is cosh. Derivative of cosh is sinh. Derivative of tanh is sech squared. Now, I know with regular trig, the derivative of cosine is negative sign. So I said, if you ignore the plus and minus signs. So it's the same basic pattern, except that which functions have the minus signs are different. There are still 3 trig functions where there's a minus sign in the formula for the derivative. If you remember with regular trig, the rule was if there's a co in the name of the function, there's a negative sign in the formula for the derivative. So cosine, cotangent, and cosecant had a negative sign in their derivative formulas. Here, it's a slightly different pattern. The 3 main hyperbolic trig functions, sinh, cosh, and tanh, those are the 3 that do not have a negative sign in their formulas for the derivative. The 3 that I think of as the reciprocals of those are the ones that have a negative sign in the derivative, in the formula for their derivative. So hopefully that helps you in remembering things. Just like with the derivatives of regular trig, if for the derivative of cotangent, if you forgot it and you worked it out, but you wrote that as -1 over sinh squared, that's equivalent and that's totally fine. But again, I do recommend that you know these versions of things, because there will come a time when you're given this function and asked, what is it the derivative of? And if you know this formula, it's an easy question, and if you don't, it's a hard question.